What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so we're gonna start with some poofs down the middle. All right, we're just gonna curl up that edge. We're gonna do 10-inch poofs around the top. And each one of these were 10 inches. Y'all, now we're gonna need 10 30-inch ruffles. And I literally just grabbed a pile of open mesh that we can utilize. All right, I think I'm gonna do these 25 inches because it just makes it easier for the cut. So that was 6. How many do we need total? We need 18 total. So let's just cut all 18 at 25. Y'all, 6 rolls of mesh is a lot. This was not a good idea. I should have cut 3 and 3. All right. One more. So here we go. Y'all, I'm just gonna randomly add these on there. We are going to take our mesh. We're gonna curl each end once. Get a ruffle. Add a ruffle all the way around. All right, we're just adding those ruffles all the way around. Y'all, I'm just grabbing random pieces. Now we're just gonna add one all the way around the top. Y'all, we curl our edges just a little bit. That way it hides all the fray. All right, we're just gonna keep going around. All right, let's take our sign. Let's get our mounting squares. We need to use a permanent adhesive. All right, so I like to go from one corner to the other. All right, then I can do the other two corners. Y'all, as you're tying down every corner, make sure your sign is where you want it. We've got our sign, we've got our mesh. Let's get our ribbon. All right, we're gonna measure out about a 14 or 15 inch tail. We are going to give it a good pinch. Give it a good twist. All right, we're gonna measure about 6.5 to 7 inches. That came out to be 8, so it's gonna be 8 inches. Y'all, now I'm gonna use this Halloween ribbon. All right, last one. I'm gonna take that bright orange from the back and bring it to the front. All right, we're gonna get a good pinch here and we're gonna get it nice and tight. So there's our bow. All right, so now we're just gonna dovetail our little bow here. Now we need our ribbon tails. All right, so we're gonna need 10 tails around the base for sure. So we're using 14-inch tails tonight. So we're gonna take our 3 ribbons. We're gonna fold it in half. Right, we want it to stick up. We're gonna give it a good pinch. And then we're gonna fold it over. We're gonna do that all the way around. All right, so when we do this, we just want to push all our tails out so that it gives you really good, pretty coverage. So you can see we've got ribbon tails all the way around the outside. Now we need to go around here and look and see where we can add ribbon tails. Bye, y'all.